everyone, this is going to be a bike check on my DK machine. So starting at the top, I have no bar ends. I'm going to throw some on pretty soon, not sure when though, but I don't mind having no bar ends right now. I have Colony mushroom grips, great grips, love them. Perfect for gloves or no gloves. I don't mind it, not wearing gloves, but it just helps with extra grip for like manuals and stuff like that, because my hands do get sweaty, and so sometimes the grips will get more slippery than expected. I have Fiction True bars. They are 865 tall with the front load, whatever. Yeah, they're 865 tall, and I cut them down to 27.5 wide from 28.5. So that's a ½ inch off of each side. DK front load stem. Not sure what model. It's probably just, yeah, it's stock. This is a complete bike I got from Walmart. Honestly, it rides like a bike shop lobby bike for me. Anyway, I just have plain old standard headset. Don't mind it. I don't really I've ever broken a headset, like really badly broken one. I mean, I don't mind standard or integrated. Anyway, I have Diamondback forks, again, stock. The front wheel, got off my friend, came with hub guard. It has a Hoffman Generator hub guard, connected to a Hoffman Generator front hub. I have Hoffman Generator rim. Not sure what spokes, probably just normal 14 gauge. Colony Agenda tire, 2.15. I'm running it at about 90 to 100 psi around there. Takes 110. Not folding tire. They make a folding version, but they didn't have it at the shop at the time, so yeah. I mean, the tire alone cost me 30 bucks, so I'm pretty sure the folding one would cost way more. I have this, not sure what peg. I think it was off a Haro, but for what I know, it is very light. I mean, even though it's light, look how slim it is. That is really slim for a plain old stock peg. Here's this peg that came with the bike. I don't know why I'm doing this, but showing like how skinny this peg is I have compared to the stock DK peg. If you look here, you can see that this peg here is way slimmer. So that's pretty cool. Definitely helps with like grind resistance and not having any. The frame is a DK machine. Drew Bazansen's signature colorway. Red, matte red, I guess. It's got a DK. It's got actually top and bottom gussets. On the top and down tube. DK logo on the top one. There's no DK logo on the bottom. I'm saying way too much. It has a mid-bottom bracket, 25 tooth sprocket. It's pretty thick, so I'm pretty sure it's not that thick. It's probably steel. Probably steel sprocket. I don't mind it though. I like steel sprockets more than I do aluminum actually. Just stock DK cranks, black label pedals, red to match the rest of the bike. Well, almost, because the red isn't as bright as the frame. Although this is powder coating, so obviously wouldn't match. This is translucent plastic, kind of. The back end feels about like a 13.5 slammed. So pretty general, like generic, no, not generic, general back end length. Normal KMC chain. The back hub, I have just a stock DK hub. I think it's a semi-sealed, or it could be unsealed. Either one, I'm not sure, honestly. A DK tire in the back. I believe it's a DK Photon tire. It's a really nice tire. Grips well. Although I'm running a dirt tire in the back and a street in the front. I mean, I thought having a dirt tire in the back and a street in the front would look really ugly. I don't mind it actually. It looks kind of cool. Also, I know I have grip in the back. For my brakes, I just have actually, and also a star circle rim, whatever you call it. Another of that same peg that I have in the front and the back. What else? I'm not sure what brake mechanism. The pads, I believe. Actually, they're just some generic green pads. And just regular cables, gyro cables. For my brake lever, I have an Odyssey Monolever with a trigger lever, hinge thing here, the actual lever part. Okay. Not sure what else. And yeah, it's actually really light for what it is. For a hover bike, it spins good. It feels solid for parks and even flat, so I like that. So yeah, thanks for watching.